Hello student. So today I am going to start the chapter application of derivatives, exercise 2.1, example number 4. Look at, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve 2xy plus pi into sin y equal to 2 pi at the point 1 pi by 2. Given curve is, the given curve is 2xy plus pi into sin y equal to 2y. This is the given curve. The given curve is 2xy plus pi into sin y equal to 2 pi is a given. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore, 2 as it is, the derivative of x into y. Derivative of x into y. First function x as it is into derivative of y is a dy by dx. This is the multiplication form. X into dy by dx plus second function means y as it is into derivative of x is a 1 plus pi into sin y, pi as it is the derivative of sin y is a cos y, again derivative of y is a dy by dx equal to 2 pi. 2 pi is a constant term, this derivative is a 0. Okay, 2 into x into dy by dx, we multiply 2 into x into dy by dx, 2x into dy by dx plus 2 into y is a 2y plus pi into cos y into dy by dx equal to right side is a 0. Therefore, 2x into dy by dx plus pi into cos y into dy by dx equating the similar term. Equating the similar term 2x into dy by dx plus pi into cos y into dy by dx equal to this 2y transpose on right side plus 2y is a minus 2y. Therefore, this dy by dx and this dy by dx are similar. Dy by dx is a common. Dy by dx is a common remaining part in bracket 2x plus pi into cos y equal to minus 2y as it is. Therefore, dy by dx equal to this 2x plus pi into cos y transpose on right side means dy by dx equal to minus 2y divided by 2x plus pi into cos y. This is the value of dy by dx means slope of tangent is minus 2y divided by 2x plus pi into cos y. Therefore, dy by dx at the point given is a 1 into pi by 2. Therefore, 1 and pi by 2 dy by dx at a point 1. 1 is a x coordinate and y is a pi by 2. Y coordinate is a pi by 2. Therefore, this equation minus 2 into y, the value of y is a pi by 2 and totally divided by 2 into x, the value of x is a 1. 2 into 1 plus pi into cos y, the value of y is a pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Therefore, these 2 and these 2 are cancelled. Minus 2 divided by 2 are cancelled. Minus pi divided by 2 into the value of x is a 1, 2 into 1 is a 2 plus cos pi by 2. The value of cos pi by 2 is a 0. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. Cos 90 is a 0. Therefore, minus pi divided by 2 into the value of cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is a 0, 1 into 0. Therefore, minus pi divided by 2 plus 1 into 0 is a 0. Minus pi divided by 2 plus 0 minus pi by 2. This is the slope of tangent, that is the m equal to minus pi by 2. Slope of normal, that is the m1 equal to minus 1 divided by m. Therefore, minus 1 divided by m. M is the slope of tangent is a given minus pi by 2. Therefore, minus 1 upon 1 into the reciprocal of minus pi by 2 is a 2 divided by minus pi. Minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2 divided by 1 into minus pi is a minus pi. This minus and this minus are cancelled. Minus 2 divided by minus pi means 2 divided by pi. Therefore, equation of tangent to the curve at a point 1 and pi by 2 is a given. Therefore, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is a pi by 2 and x1 is a 1. Y minus y1 is a pi by 2, y minus pi by 2 equal to the value of m means the slope of tangent is a minus pi by 2 into x minus x1 is a 1, x minus 1. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 2 into x is a minus pi into x divided by 2 and minus pi by 2 into minus 1 minus minus plus pi by 2. Therefore, this minus pi by 2 into x plus pi by 2 transpose on left side. Therefore, minus pi x divided by 2 is a plus pi x divided by 2 plus y as it is. This minus pi by 2 as it is and this plus pi by 2 transpose on left side is a minus pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, pi into x divided by 2 plus y, and this addition is, this base is a similar minus 2, minus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. This addition is a minus 2 pi by 2. This 2 and this 2 are cancelled. Pi into x divided by 2 plus y minus pi equal to 0. Minus pi into x plus pi into x divided by 2 plus y minus pi equal to 0. Okay. We multiply 2 on both sides. Therefore, 2 into pi x by 2 plus 2 into y is a 2y plus 2 into minus pi is a minus 2 pi. Therefore, these 2 and these 2 are cancelled. Pi x plus 2y minus 2 pi equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent to the curve. Okay. And next condition is equation of normal to the curve at a point 1 pi by 2. Therefore, slope of normal m1 equal to 2 by pi. m1 is a 2 by pi. Therefore, equation of normal to the curve at a point 1 and pi by 2. Okay. The equation of normal to the curve is y minus y1 equal to m1. m1 is the slope of normal into x minus x1. Therefore, x1 y1 is a given 1 and pi by 2. This is the x1 and this is the y1. Okay. Y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is a given pi by 2, y minus pi by 2 equal to m1 is a slope. What is the slope of normal? Is a 2 by pi into x minus x1. x1 is a given 1. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 equal to m1 is a 2 divided by pi into x minus x1 is a 1. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 as it is equal to this 2 multiply into x, 2x, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 divided by this pi as it is. Therefore, this pi transpose on left side, pi is a multiply, pi into y minus pi by 2 equal to 2x minus 2 as it is. Therefore, pi into y, pi into pi by 2, pi square divided by 2 equal to 2x minus 2. Therefore, we multiply 2 on both sides. Therefore, 2 into pi into y minus 2 into pi square divided by 2 equal to 2 into 2x minus 2. These 2 and these 2 are cancelled. 2 divided by 2 are cancelled. Therefore, 2 into pi into y minus pi square equal to 2 into 2x is a 4x. 2 into minus 2 is a minus 4. This multiplication is a minus 4. Therefore, 2 pi into y minus pi square equal to 4x minus 4. This 4x minus 4 transpose on left side. Plus 4x is a minus 4x. This plus 2 pi y as it is, minus pi square as it is. This minus 4 is a plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 4x, we multiply minus 1 on both sides. minus minus plus 4x, and this minus 2 pi into y, and this minus pi square means plus pi square, and this plus 4 is a minus 4. This is the required equation of normal. This is the required equation of normal 4x minus 2y, 4x minus 2, 4x minus 2 pi into y plus pi square minus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of normal. Okay. And next question is, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x into sin 2y equal to y into cos 2x at a point pi by 4 and pi by 2. Okay. Given equation of curve is x into sin 2y equal to y into cos 2x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore, x into sin 2y, this is the u into v form, y into cos 2x, this is the u into v form. First function x as it is into derivative of sin 2y is a cos 2y. Again derivative of 2y is a 2. The derivative of y is a dy by dx. Plus second term as it is means sin 2y as it is into derivative of first term. First term is a x. The derivative of x is a 1 equal to first function y as it is into derivative of cos 2x is a minus sin 2x. Again derivative of 2x is a 2 plus second term means cos 2x as it is into derivative of y is a dy by dx. Therefore, this 2 into x, 2x into cos 2y into dy by dx equal to sin 2y into 1. This product is a sin 2y equal to 2 into y, 2y, and this minus 2y into sin 2x plus cos 2x into dy by dx. Equating the similar term, 2x into cos 2y into dy by dx minus cos 2x into dy by dx. This cos 2x into dy by dx transpose on left side plus cos 2x into dy by dx is the minus cos 2x into dy by dx equal to minus 2y into sin 2x as it is. This sin 2y transpose on right side plus sin 2y is a minus sin 2y. Therefore, dy by dx is a common. Dy by dx is a common 2x into cos 2y minus cos 2x equal to minus, this minus is a common 2y into sin 2x plus sin 2y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to this transpose, this 2x into cos 2y minus cos 2x transpose on right side minus 2y into sin 2x plus sin 2y divided by 2x into cos 2y minus cos 2x. This is the value of dy by dx. dy by dx is the slope of tangent at a point pi by 4 and pi by 2. Therefore, this is the x is a pi by 4 and y is a pi by 2. Therefore, 2y, this minus as it is 2 into the value of y is a pi by 2 into sin 2x, the value of x is a pi by 4 plus sin 2y, sin 2 into the value of y is a pi by 2. Okay. And totally divided by 2x, 2 into the value of x is a pi by 4 into cos 2 into the value of y is a pi by 2 minus cos 2x, cos 2 into the value of x is a pi by 4. These 2 and these 2 are cancelled. These 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and these 2 and these 2 are cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and these 2 and these 2 are cancelled. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Therefore, dy by dx equal to pi into sin pi by 2 plus sin pi divided by pi by 2 into cos pi minus cos pi by 2. Okay. The value of sin pi by 2 means sin 90 is a 1, pi into 1 plus sin pi means sin 180 is a 0, pi into 1, the value of sin pi by 2 means sin 90 is a 1. Okay. And sin pi means 180 is a 0, pi into 1 plus 0 and totally divided by pi by 2 into cos pi. Cos pi means cos 180 is a minus 1 and minus cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is a 0 minus 0. Therefore, pi into 1, this minus as it is, minus pi plus 0 divided by pi by 2 into minus 1 minus pi by 2 minus 0. Therefore, slope of tangent to the curve m equal to minus pi divided by minus pi by 2. Therefore, minus pi divided by this base is a 1 into minus pi by 2. This reciprocal is a 2 divided by minus pi. This minus pi and this minus pi are cancelled. Slope of tangent is a 2, that is a m. Okay. Slope of normal, that is a m1 equal to minus 1 divided by m. Therefore, the value of m is a 2, means minus 1 by 2. Equation of tangent at a point pi by 4 and pi by 2. Therefore, y minus y1 is a pi by 2, y minus pi by 2 equal to m is a 2. Slope of tangent is a 2 into x minus x1 is a pi by 4. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 equal to 2x minus this 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 2x minus pi by 2 transpose on. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 and 2x minus pi by 2, this similar term of pi by 2 and pi by 2 are cancelled. Therefore, y equal to 2x. This y transpose on right side, 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent to the curve. Okay. And next condition is the slope of normal m1 equal to minus 1 by 2. Equation of normal at a point pi by 4 pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, y minus y1 equal to slope is a m1 into x minus x1. This is the x1 and this is the y1. Okay. Therefore, y minus y1 means pi by 2, y minus pi by 2 equal to m1. m1 is a slope of normal. The value of m1 is a minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1. x1 is a pi by 4. x1 is a pi by 4. Therefore, y minus pi by 2 as it is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus pi by 4 minus plus minus 1 into minus pi plus pi divided by 2 into 4 is a 8. Therefore, minus x by 2 and plus pi by 8 transpose on left side, plus x by 2 minus x by 2 is a plus x by 2 plus y minus pi by 2, and this pi by 8 is a minus pi by 8 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, we multiply 2 into x by 2 plus 2 into y, 2y, 2 into pi by 2 minus 2 into pi by 8 equal to 0 into 2 is a 0. We multiply 2 into both sides. Therefore, this 2 and this 2 cancel. This 2 and this 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, x plus 2y minus pi, x plus 2y minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply again 4 into this bracket x plus 2y minus pi by 4 equal to 0. Therefore, 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 2y, 8y, and 4 into minus pi minus 4 pi and minus 4 into pi by 4 equal to right side is a 0. Therefore, this 4 and this 4 are cancelled. Therefore, 4x plus 8y minus 4 pi and minus pi equal to 0. This addition is 4x plus 8y minus 4 pi minus pi. This addition is a minus 5 pi equal to 0. This is the required equation of normal to the curve. This is the required equation of normal. This is the required equation of normal to the curve. To the curve. 4x plus 8y minus 5y equal to 0. This is the required equation of normal to the curve. Okay.